There's no doubt the medium-duty commercial trucks from Isuzu, Freightliner, and Mercedes-Benz are some of the most popular and dependable trucks in the industry. And whether your fleet is one truck or 100, you know how critical it is to your business to keep them rolling. For maintenance, you used to have to choose between dealers' long waits and high prices, or take the chance with a mom-and-pop repair shop. But you have a better alternative, M2 Auto. Our spacious professional facility minimizes the time it takes to get your truck into the service bay, and our technicians are factory trained specifically for all three brands. You've kept up with advancing vehicle technology by investing in the latest diagnostic computers and OEM software to find and fix the problem faster and at less cost to you. Regular training ensures our techs are ready to use these machines and manufacturer-specific tools to get you in and out, so you can put your truck back to work. With over 26 years of experience, you can trust M2 Auto to keep your fleet on the move, so you can keep your business on the move. M2 Auto, your dealer alternative at a reasonable price.